3, 4, 1, 2, 3 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고
It's such a horrible day to film fairy makeup tutorial. My skin is not doing good and I look so dull. I can literally see while editing I look so dull. So first I'm moisturizing because my skin is looking super duper flaky, and now I'm using this foundation, Maybelline Superstay 24 hours full coverage something. This is in the shade Sun Beige. If you are like similar to my skin shade, you can just use this one. I don't know why I said that. That was such a stupid explanation. I love how I act in front of the camera like I am a professional, like I know everything, like I know what I'm doing. Like, can I just stop saying like? This is dumb. Why am I even making this video? I'm pretty sure this is that video that no one asked for. So here I am using a lot of blush. This is a liquid lipstick and I was trying to find a brush or like anything to blend. I couldn't find it, so I'm just literally slapping my skin like that. And oh my god, if a professional makeup artist will watch this video, will like, he or she is probably screaming or cursing right now because I'm literally pulling at my skin so bad. I'm embarrassed, I'm sorry, but I couldn't find anything and it was a liquid lipstick, so I had to blend. Can I just stop talking? I promise I would have done it like correctly, but it was a liquid lipstick and if I just didn't do it on time, it would just leave spots, if you know what I mean. That's a liquid lipstick and a very strong one. For the fairy look, don't forget to add blush at the tip of your nose and also some to your like cheeks. Actually a lot, because you want that sun-kissed, innocent looking feature. So yeah, basically you want to look like an Instagram filter. All those Instagram filters out there making you look pink and rosy, yeah. For the eyes, you have to create the illusion that you have bigger eyes, because fairies, they have bigger eyes. So I'm taking a white eyeliner and I'm using it on my waterline, and don't drag it toward the inner corner, just use it like towards the outer corners. Then just do your eyeliner just the way you do. Just make sure that you draw a black line under the white portion, because that will create a fox waterline. And here I am also creating some fox lashes because you want to make the eyes look bigger, and I know it's not looking good right now, but once you add the lashes, everything like looks good. So this is a brown liquid lipstick, and if you watch my videos then you'll know that I use this one to make freckles. You can use a toothpick or something pointy to make the freckles. I'm using a earring. Please don't judge me, I'm using a earring to make them because I couldn't find that toothpick that I use. You can use bobby pins as well. Then I took white arsenic paint, and with the help of a bobby pin I'm applying the white freckles. This is totally optional, but I just felt like it would like look cute with the white and brown freckles. You can totally just stick with the brown freckles. Then I did my soap brows, basically brushing out your eyebrows with soap. Added some lip gloss, and then I just added the eyelashes and this white, I don't know what this is called, this flowery thingy, and it's pretty much this is how it looks.
자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니